Let's talk about something that impacts nearly every relationship at some point: financial stress. But first, like this video and subscribe to our channel, cause I'm gonna give you bucket loads of practical info in a minute. So here goes. Money issues are one of the top reasons couples argue, and if left unchecked, they can create real distance between partners. But here's the good news: you and your partner can tackle financial stress together and come out stronger on the other side. Struggling to pay the bills and save every month? With just 10 minutes a month, you can save, budget, and achieve financial freedom. Interested? My new book is your roadmap. Link is in the description box below. Okay, now back to the video. From managing debt to setting goals and communicating effectively, we're diving into actionable strategies that can make a difference starting today. Step 1. Acknowledge the stress and start the conversation. The first step in overcoming financial stress is admitting that it's there. It might seem simple, but avoiding the issue only makes things worse. Sit down with your partner and have an honest conversation. 1. Tip 1. Use we language instead of you language. 1. For example, say, "We're facing a lot of financial pressure," rather than "You're spending too much." 1. Tip 2. Set a safe tone. 1. Let your partner know this is a judgment-free zone and that the goal is to solve the problem together, not point fingers. A good starting question might be, "How do you feel about where we're at financially right now?" This gets emotions on the table so you can work together to address them. Step 2. Understand your financial starting point. Next, you need to assess your current financial situation. Think of this as creating a financial map. You can't plan a route unless you know where you're starting from. 1. Write down all sources of income, paychecks, side hustles, etc. 1. List monthly expenses like rent, utilities, subscriptions, and groceries. 1. Identify debts, credit cards, loans, medical bills, and anything else you owe. This might be uncomfortable, but it's empowering. Seeing the numbers laid out gives you clarity and a sense of control. Step 3. Set shared financial goals. Once you know where you are, it's time to decide where you want to go, together. Financial goals should be realistic, specific, and meaningful to both of you. 1. Examples of short-term goals: save $1,000 for emergencies, pay off one credit card, or stick to a budget for 3 months. 1. Examples of long-term goals: save for a down payment on a house, start a retirement fund, or take a dream vacation, paid in cash. When you're setting goals, write them down and give them deadlines. For instance, instead of saying, "Let's save for a house," say, "We'll save $15,000 for a down payment within 2 years." Specificity keeps you motivated and aligned. Step 4. Divide and conquer financial roles. Not every couple manages money the same way, and that's okay. What matters is finding a system that works for you. Play to each other's strengths. 1. If one of you is detail-oriented, they might handle the monthly budget. 1. If the other is more creative, they could focus on finding ways to save, like meal planning or DIY home repairs. The goal isn't to split everything 50-50, it's to divide the workload so you both contribute in a way that feels fair and balanced. Step 5. Create a budget you can actually stick to. Now it's time to build a budget, which is just a plan for how you'll spend and save your money. The key is to make it realistic and flexible. 1. Start with essentials: rent, utilities, groceries, transportation. 1. Set aside for goals: allocate a specific amount for savings or debt repayment. 1. Leave room for fun. Yes, even on a tight budget, you should include a little fun money. 1. It helps you stick to the plan without feeling deprived. Try using the 50/30/20 rule as a starting point, but tweak it to fit your needs. And don't forget to revisit your budget monthly to see what's working and what isn't. Step 6. Tackle debt strategically. Debt can feel like a giant weight on your shoulders, but you can conquer it with the right approach. Choose a repayment method that works for both of you. 1. The snowball method: pay off your smallest debts first to build momentum. 1. The avalanche method: focus on high-interest debts first to save the most money. Whatever method you choose, track your progress together. Celebrate small victories, like paying off a credit card or reaching a milestone in your student loans. Step 7. Communicate regularly about money. One of the biggest mistakes couples make is avoiding money conversations after the initial talk. Instead, schedule regular check-ins. 1. Weekly or bi-weekly money dates can help you stay on track. 1. These don't have to be formal. Grab coffee, sit down at the kitchen table, and review your progress. 1. Use this time to adjust your budget, address unexpected expenses, and revisit your goals. The more open you are about money, the stronger your partnership will become. Step 8. Build an emergency fund. Even if you're working on paying off debt, it's crucial to have some savings for emergencies. Start small, aim for $500 to $1,000, and build from there. Having this cushion prevents unexpected expenses from derailing your progress and gives you both peace of mind. Step 9. Celebrate your wins. Progress, no matter how small, deserves recognition. Celebrate when you hit a milestone, whether it's sticking to your budget for a month, paying off a loan, or saving for a big purchase. Celebrations don't have to cost money. Cook a special dinner at home, watch a favorite movie, or write each other notes about what you've accomplished together. Step 10. Focus on the long game. Finally, remember that overcoming financial stress isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. There will be setbacks, and that's okay. What matters is staying committed to the process and supporting each other along the way. When challenges arise, remind yourselves why you're doing this. Keep your goals in mind, and trust that every step you take is bringing you closer to the life you want. Financial stress doesn't have to pull you apart, it can bring you closer when you tackle it as a team. By starting the conversation, setting goals, creating a plan, and celebrating your progress, you'll not only reduce stress but also strengthen your relationship. Do you have just 10 minutes a month to plan and save, budget, and achieve financial freedom? My new book is your roadmap. Link is in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.